Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nikita Kucherov may want to keep an eye over his shoulder the next time he faces the Washington Capitals. Although, as you will see in this clip, he may already be doing so. On Saturday, Kucherov and his Tampa Bay Lightning with the aforementioned Capitals in what was a hugely important game for the Capitals as far as the Saturday's Cup playoff are concerned. As a result, emotions were running high and that result in some fireworks on both sides of the ice throughout the course of. Thank you for watching this content and please stay connected with us for further updates.